Hey guys, I want to record this really quick video. Um, as you probably know, if you follow my channel, I produce trap beats. I run into this quite often. Um rip my subwoofer, from the 808s hitting hard and everything. So this is actually kind of like a after the fact video, but it's still going to help you guys. So stay tuned. Because if you're landed on this video, you're having the same problem apparently. So uh, initially, about 3 months ago, I ripped this part of the subwoofer, and I did this technique. And I'd say about 3, 4 months later, which is actually, as of yesterday, this bottom part of the subwoofer ripped. Okay, so I'm sure you guys are familiar with that nasty sound you get. But, don't throw it away. In the past, I thought I just lost money. It was over with. I had to get a new subwoofer. You don't have to, guys. Here's your solution. Very cheap. Flex Seal. We've all seen it on TV, repairing bolts and leaks and things like that. You go right to Home Depot and get this Flex Seal, okay? And what you're going to do is you're going to spray it right where your rip is. Just spray it all around. I just use a napkin and a Q-tip to clean it up, make it clean, make it, look okay. At the end of the day, it doesn't matter because there's a grill that goes over this, so no one's going to see it anyway. And this is going to fix your problem after you spray it on there. Let it sit for at least 2 days. It says 24 to 48 hours. Just give it 2 days, guys. And I promise you, this will fix your subwoofer and have it sound like new again. I hope this video helps someone. Like and subscribe and check out my music.